Apex technology's been in the works for quite some time. Our design on this really came out of a necessity to provide high-level race teams with the most durable, best possible product that we could deliver. So with that, born was Apex.
The Apex clutch is a full system that has every benefit that we can cram into a dirt bike clutch. We have our steel pin contact, our thin TorqDrive friction technology, and the optimization and the engineering time going into it to make sure that it works very well in every single bike, no matter which bike you have.
This is that next step. Our steel pins in the inner hub, we start with a steel plate and end with a steel plate on the pressure plate in the inner hub. So it eliminates wear items. You know, one of the main things that you're gonna feel is clutch lever consistency. Drive plates being steel and our friction plates being steel, they're not aluminum, so they don't expand and contract like the OEM stuff. You're not gonna have to worry about rolling out that free play in your clutch lever as the clutch heats up mid-moto. For the average guy, what's really cool about this is, again, you only wear out that clutch pack. So if you do plan to keep your bike for, say, 5 years or even more, it's a sound investment. You're not gonna be notching out the hub. You make a good initial investment and it can actually last you a very long time.
We've optimized this for every bike to make this the best feeling clutch you can put in. We've paid close attention to the modulation, to the feel, to how it hooks up, to how it rides. We want this to be the best experience for the rider. So not only is this the strongest thing you can put in your bike, this will be the best feeling clutch you can put in your bike as well.
Everything that comes together with it is focused on durability and making sure that the clutch is easy and consistent to use.
The Apex clutch is the culmination of years of development with professional race teams. What we've built is the most durable clutch that you can put in your dirt bike.
This Apex system is the last clutch you'll ever have to buy.